Are you confused why disposable capes are so essential in July 2020? Disposable capes have been effectively used by hairdressers on top of a reusable cape and towel to protect clients' clothes from colour chemical spillages. Reusable capes have been a staple in the barbershop from their inception without the usage of disposable PVC capes. So why may barbershops have to ditch the cool uniformity and tradition of this protective reusable cloth cape? Hi, Larry the Barberman here from Barbers.tv, where we provide helpful barbering, instructional videos, tips and tricks to help you up your game. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. All the links for everything mentioned in the video will be in the description box below. Why should all clients wear disposable PVC capes in your barbershop? This type of cape can help calm the nerves of that hypersensitive customer worried about catching a harmful disease. During these times, clients could take exception to sharing a reusable cloth garment such as a cape that has been in contact with another client. PVC capes form a credible protective layer between barber and client because of its non-porous material, and it calms the nerves of all clients when he or she knows they're the only person who has worn the cape. Disposable capes also help to contain the spread of germs and airborne pathogens, as barbers do not need to blow them down at the end of the service excessively, which can blow and disperse virus around the barbershop. Disposable capes can help contain germs as they can be folded inwards gently at the end of the service, rolled up and discarded in a closed bin. The same cannot be said for a reusable cloth cape, as not only do cloth capes potentially store germs from numerous clients' respiratory droplets when they cough, sneezes or shouts in the barbershop. Reusable cloth capes are hazardous as they act as a giant hanky shared amongst other clients. To summarise, disposable capes are not the most flattering or comfortable piece of PPE for cutting hair or creating a protective layer between barber and client, but in the short term, capes allow barbers to trade safer and reduce the risk of clients getting infected in their shop. My closing tip and trick for you. As mentioned, disposable capes are not the most comfortable protection, so what if we could bring a little luxury to the experience? That would be a good thing, right? Here's what you'll need over and above a disposable PVC cape and barber's neck tape. First, you'll need a towel and bib chain, which has 2 crocodile clips on both sides to grip both sides of the client's towel, to give him or her the freedom of movement without the towel falling off them or feeling as though it's falling off them. Second, you'll need a hand towel. With all the above to hand, first apply the barber's neck tape to the client's neck. Second, place the towel over the client's shoulders so the left and the right of the cloth meet the client's chest in the center. Third, if the bib chain is too long, find the center of the chain by lining up the crocodile clips, then tie a loose knot 2 inches below the clips to form a closer link between the 2 clips. That will ultimately lock both open ends of the client's towel. This creates a more comfortable fit for both the client without them feeling as though the towel is falling off them. Fourth, then place the PVC cape over the front of the client and the towel to secure the disposable PVC cape onto the neck tape by creating a bow in the neck straps of the cape. This method of creating a bow instead of a knot will allow you to remove the cape gently and reduce the risk of agitating the cape at the end of the service, potentially spreading germs unnecessarily into the barbershop. Should you continue with the usage of reusable cloth capes during these times, please refrain from snapping these capes before the service to decrease them. Also, refrain from shaking them excessively at the end of the service, as this can also spread germs in the barbershop. And for more instructional barbering videos, tips and tricks to up your game, start now by hitting the subscribe button and the direct link provided to follow me on Instagram. Until next time.